सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। 15th verse. सर्वे वेदा यत्पदमामनन्ति तपागंसि सर्वाणि च यद्वदन्ति यदिच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदगं संग्रहेण ब्रवीमि। ओमित्येतत् एतद्येवाक्षरं ब्रह्म एतद्येवाक्षरं परम् एतद्येवाक्षरं ज्ञात्वा यो यदिच्छति तस्य तत् एतदालम्बनगं श्रेष्ठम् एतदालम्बनं परम् एतदालम्बनं ज्ञात्वा ब्रह्मलोके महीयते न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चित् नायं कुतश्चिन्न बभूव कश्चित् अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चिन्। Vipaschit will say Sandhi rule ta plus na becomes double. So we'll break the Sandhi. Na jayate mriyate va vipaschit nayam kutaschinna babhuva kaschit अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. We had been seeing that Nachiketa had asked the question which is beyond doership, which is beyond cause and effect, and which is beyond time, which you see, please tell it to me. And actually he is asking the question about the nature of the self. What is the essential nature of the self? This is the basic question. How do you know that you don't know the nature of the self? I feel I know the nature of myself. I know I am. So what is the problem? if something is clear, knowledge is there about, right about something. Supposing this is a watch, and I know this is a watch, so it will be asandigdham or doubtless. So I will never think it's a cow sitting. Instead of watch, I will never feel it's a cow, or I will never feel it's a man sitting in front of me. This knowledge that this is a watch is non-negatable. This will, even if I am tired also, this also will appear a watch. And if insulted also, it will appear a watch. If honored also, then also will appear a watch. But regarding the I, sometimes I appears happy. You cannot see, I am existing is a doubtless knowledge. There is no that I am existing or not. Nobody can say I doubt I am existing. I am existing is a doubtless knowledge. And I know that I am existing, that also is a doubtless knowledge. But problem is, I am is non-negatable knowledge. But what I am, this is the area of doubt. Please see me, don't read the book, please. When I am saying, please see me, don't read the book. Later in the room you can read. I am is a doubtless knowledge, but I am dash, this is the area of doubt. Sometimes I feel I am happy. Then you say I am happy forever now, finish the matter. Like this is a watch. No, but I'm sad at times also. No, so you are happy or sad? Both. Now how can one thing be two? Sometimes happy, sometimes sad. This is not done. I think you have to make it, you are either happy or sad. Only mixed. See, mixed fruit is okay, but mixed I is sometimes happy, sometimes sad. No, but you are not, you are angry also at times. Yes. You are lazy also most of the time. So, you are tired also. You are sometimes very surprised also. You are excited also. How many eyes you have? No, I think I am is one. Suffixes are changing a lot. No, which one you are? That means you don't know properly. If you don't know something, then and that thing is in front of you, you have a lot of thoughts about it. Supposing I don't know you at all, and you are sitting, so you'll feel, I hope where from he is. I think he is from South India. He is from South India. Confirm. Yesterday somebody came and saw me. He said, I think you are from South India. I said, yes. I said to that person, you are from Karnataka? He said, yes. How do you know that? I said, you answered, you speak Tulu? He said, yes. Then he said, he asked me, you also speak? I said, no, I don't speak. So they see me and they feel South Indian. Then they talk to each other. I think he's from Maharashtra side. Maharashtra side. I also asked them in Marathi, चांगला है? वो चांगला है. So they are very happy that I am also from Maharashtra. Anyway, when you don't know exactly, you will have a lot of speculation about me. One sign of not knowing anything properly is you have a doubtful knowledge. Knowledge with a doubt. And if anybody can make anything, somebody says you are looking very good today, so you feel good. Look. Somebody said you are looking sad. Although I was not sad. After he said I became sad. That was nice. He only said like that. I felt after that sad. Before he said, I think something's wrong in me. I was sad. He is saying he was. Somebody says you are looking very smart and beautiful. After that, I start feeling also that how can he be wrong? So when he's saying I will be good looking, of course, I was also thinking, but he made it sure. After 10 minutes, somebody said, well, you are not that good looking because your nose is little bigger. Your nose is little bigger than normal. And you inhale lot of air, you should be charged. So, therefore, therefore, you're not that good looking. And sometimes you see yourself in the face, especially after you get up in the morning. You see, I'm so bad looking. So about ourselves only notions are changing. And therefore anything can be made, somebody can make you happy, make you unhappy, make you sad, make you excited, make you indulgent. At 10 o'clock, how will be your eye? Today, 10 o'clock, how will you be eye? Well, it depends. That means you're not sure about eye. Eye should be one thing, no? How can it be many? Three things I had said. If the knowledge is firm, it should be asandigdam, abaditam, anadigatam. It should be doubtless knowledge, non-negatable knowledge, and anadigatam, not known by other praman. Only one praman is there. At least three things. Two more are there. Smriti vilakshanam anubhava swarupam. So I is not properly known, not well known. Therefore we need to know I. Achha. Remember what is sorrow? Sorrow is sense of contraction in I. Ab batao. If I am contracting, then who is seeing that I am contracting? So really I am sad, or there is somebody who is seeing the sad person? I am sad is one statement. And second statement is that I know that I am sad. If you know something, then you are always different than that. Now Vedanta has come up. 18 to 25th verse is Atma Lakshana mantra. So first to 13th verse was the Shishya Stuti etc. 14th was the question of Nachiketa. 15th, 16th, 17th was the Omkar Prashamsa. And now from 18th verse to 25th verse are pure Vedantic description of Atma. Pure. What is that? Again, please listen. If I am sad and I know I am sad, then I am sad and I know that I am sad. These two are two eyes or one eye? Please listen properly. I am sad is one statement. And I know that I am sad is another statement. So there are two. One is I am sad, other is I am knowing that I am sad. There are these two eyes are there, or only one eye is there? Huh? One eye is there. If you say one eye is there, then how can be same eye become knower and known also? When I was not sad, then also I was knowing something. But this new I came up when I was sad. There is one I which is knowing the I am sad I. Then half an hour I was sad, 9 to 9:30. I did not waste time. And after that I went away. Then I am happy I came up. So one who knows the I am sad I, this I is not changing I. And other is changing I. So from time to time, moment to moment, new eyes are coming. But seeing these changing eyes is the unchanging eye. Nachiketa's question is, what is the nature of this unchanging eye? And generally our attention is not on the unchanging eye. Our whole attention is on the changing eye. So moment to moment, and how is it changing, systematically or erratically? Totally erratically. Well, just now his mood was okay. 10 minutes back I met, he was very happy. What happened to him after 10 minutes? Why he is so sad now? Why he got angry? Just now he was sad, now he is angry also. What happened? He slept. Thank God. When an angry person sleeps, others are happy. So he said, thank God he is quiet now. So there is a changing eye. I hope you are following what I am saying. About that about changing eye, there is no problem. I know it very well. But that does not solve the problem. That changing eye is so real for us. It is uncertain eye. It is erratic eye. It is insecure eye. Uncertain, erratic, insecure, illogical. Because you don't people unnecessarily is sad. Unnecessarily he got upset. No, he got upset because you did not talk to him. But he should think that I was in a hurry. I did not talk, not because of other reason. I was in a hurry. Why he concluded something else? So uncertain, erratic, insecure, illogical. And vasanized eye, depending on the vasana. This is the eye where we live in. This is our shunting train. कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्या रहेगा. See how much we are distant from our real self. We don't know how I will be at 12 o'clock. My mood will be okay, not okay. Depending on what situation comes up. I may be very happy, I don't know, I may be very unhappy, I may be sleepy at that time. I just don't know. Which one? This eye, second eye. ECG eye. Going up and down. And some people are highly unstable. Too high, too low they go. Chhane tushte, chhane rushte, rushte tushte, chhane chhade. Very happy, very unhappy. Very excited, very quiet. Why you are so quiet today? And such people are quiet. You wonder what happened, why you are quiet. Question is asked here. I am not taking your attention. In this changing eye, there is one who is seeing all the changing eyes. Because if that unchanging I was not there, you cannot say that I was sad in the morning or happy in the morning. And now I am not happy. That means when I was that second I, when it was happy or sad, then also one I was there. To see the changing I, there has to be unchanging I. And right now when I am very happy, then also when I will be there. Because if it has not become happy, one who was sad has gone. And one who was happy has gone. That I has gone. But this seer of all the second number duplicate fake I, again, this seer of all the fake duplicate eyes is not changing. Because if it is changing, who will see the changes? Only while sleeping. If it has slept, who will know that in the sleep I had rested? Nothing I knew. So in the sleep, this I is sleeping or not? No. And when we get up in the morning, this I will say number 1 and number 2. This number 1 I gets up or not? If you say gets up, then you have to say it was sleeping. How can you say gets up? It did not get up. Second I got up. The first I did not get up. That means throughout the day it is unchanging. No, it has changed. Then who knows the changes? To say it has changed, somebody should be unchanging to see the change. Because changing can't see the change. Question is about that I. And what is the attempt of the Upanishad? To wean you away from changing and take you to the unchanging I. Well, it is there in me also, no? Yes. Oh, thank you. Which one? Unchanging I. Very interesting mantra. Na jayate mriyate va. I knew that. This shlok, who will say the Gita shlok? Huh? You will say? Gita shlok. Huh? Loudly. See the changes. Who borrowed from whom? Did Yamraj borrow from Gita or Bhagwan Krishna lifted from here? Bhagwan Krishna lifted from here. Achha? Because before Gita this Upanishad was there. And not only one, many he lifts here. That means it was very dear to him. Both are same because Shruti is the Shwas of Bhagwan and Gita is from the mouth of Bhagwan. So both are same. Don't worry about that. He is not lifted somebody else's. He is lifted his own work. It's not a copy pasted it from there to there. न जायते म्रियते. ध्यान देना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. Vedanta, if you, God's grace, if you are in love with Vedanta, many of your problem will just not solve. You will never feel where was the problem. That is because the problem catcher is being attacked. Vedanta is not attacking the problem. It is attacking the problematic personality and the problem catcher. Oh, good. Na jayate, it is not born and doesn't die. अब see here change in न जायते म्रियते में वा कदाचित is not there. विपश्चित कर दिया. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित नायम भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय. भगवान से नायम कुतश्चिन्न बभूव कश्चित. यम यमराज is saying. It is not born. Who? Who is not born? Only Yamraj. No, not Yamraj. About the Atma it is mentioned that Atma is not born. Okay. Now, but I feel I am born. Who? Arey bhai, I came from the mother's womb. Who saw? Arey nurses saw. My mother was also awake. She saw. 2-3 doctors were there. They saw that I was born from the stomach. How can you say I was not born? So what do you mean by birth? Birth means when I came from the mother's womb out to create problems. So that I feel is the birth. No, before that you were not there. No, I was there. In the mother's womb I was there. So you can't say you were not there then. You cannot say, please note, don't think birth of the body is your birth. Let us go more inside. So when you were, that means in the mother's womb also you were there. Of course I was there. So when did you come first? Where? In the mother's womb. In the mother's womb when I came, when I was conceived. Then that day I was first born. Sure. Very good. Acha, before you were conceived, you were not there. Don't trouble me. Already I'm in tension. No, I'm not troubling. I'm just trying to investigate the matter thoroughly. Thoroughly I'm investigating. Father's body you were there, mother's body. Both seeds met. And right. Both seeds met, then I was born. Who was born? I. Body and I is same as body and I. Acha, you say I is born. To be born, that means I should not be earlier. That means this consciousness should not be existing before that. That means it is born from meeting of the matter. Dhyan dena, please be careful. Because father's seed and mother's seed, they met. Both were matter only. So you were born from the matter, right? I think so. That means this I came up. What you say, I am happy, I am sad. I came up. I think so. Sure. I think sure. Now I have 2-3 questions. What question you have? Effect always has the quality of cause. Gold, an ornament. Gold is a cause, ornament is the effect. So as is the gold, supposing 20 carat gold is there. 24 carat ornament is not made. So 20 carat gold is there, then ornament also will be 20 carat. Ornament also with the same shine which has the gold. The density of the ornament will be same as the density of the gold. So the nature of the cause will be in the effect. Following that? Not following. If you say from meeting of the matter I came, father's seed and mother's egg, this met then I came. Both were inert or consciousness? Who? Consciousness. The egg and the seed, both were inert. If from meeting of that I was born, and then I also should be inert then. Because if the cause was inert, then effect also be inert. And I told you definition of inert. What was the definition? That which does not know itself and doesn't know others. This is not the nature of I. Therefore I, because it knows itself and knows others, Therefore, it cannot be born from the meeting of those two things. Who? Body is born. I'm not saying body is not born. Don't mix the issues. Body is born. That body, that seed, and that when born, then there was a something called zygote. This big zygote was there. Then it started growing by the mother's food. Slowly, if you see the baby in the womb, so there is they can say yes, I had gone through sonography. Sonography has been done. I think that you are now pregnant, you have conceived. What you see in sonography? Can I see that? What in that sonography? My baby, still baby has to be made. It is just starting. So only this big is there. This big. Where is the hand? I'll give you one hand. How can this will have hand? Don't ask unnecessary questions. Eyes, hand, nothing you will see. Whole life you have to see and get troubled by that baby. Don't at least relax for 7 more months. So, conclusion number 1. Very interesting conclusion is, I don't know whether you get interested or not. I'm very interested. This I cannot be born by the meeting of the egg and the seed. Conclusion number 1. Wow. Second point. What is second point? Second point is, if something is born, supposing you say I is born, my question is, it was not there and it came. Who saw? To see that I has come, I should be there or not there. I'm not talking about body. Please don't confuse this matter. Birth of body is seen and birth of body is there. I'm not talking about birth of body. We are talking of birth of I in the body. Birth of body is seen by the doctor or by the person who the baby who comes out. He is born, what you say. Conception may be known, and then the doctor can calculate exactly. I think on this date conception was there. They can calculate, and they can tell also after this is your due date. But baby was lazy, therefore he was late there also. So due date was 15 July. He came out on 31st. Anyway, so first point, I hope you got my point. Second argument is, if you say I was born inside the body, dhyan dena. You say I came in that baby's body. I came. If I came, who saw that I came? Nobody knew that. If nobody knew that I came, then how can I come? So first thing, I cannot come from the matter. And second point is, there is no one to see that I came. Because definition of birth is past. Absence of prior non-existence. Something is not absent, now it is, something is absent, then it came up. Absence of prior non-existence is birth. Now if you say that I came, that I inside the body of the baby, if that I came, then question is, that was not there and then it came. If it was not there and it came. If you are saying somebody should know that it has come. And therefore, somebody has known. If somebody has known, he was already there. No, nobody knows. If nobody knows, then nothing is proved now. If in the body of that baby, I had come, supposing I was not there. First argument I already gave. Second is if I has come. Two questions. Who knew? I knew. Acha. Who knew? That baby knew. If he knew, then he was already there. Then how he can say it has come then? And therefore birth is not provable. Birth is not provable. And therefore it is written, na jayate. Two arguments I gave. We'll go into more later on.